Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove and clean main pump filter in Bosch dryer Series 6. So in the first step, push this element to remove the cover. You can just take it out from it. In the next step, lift the left element and push to the down the right blue lock. After that you can remove with no any problem the pump filter. Now you can clean it under the water, and that's it. To put it inside again, just push it and close the locks. After that, close the cover, and here do not afraid to use a little force. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.